Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get back the old seed packs and grow a garden game of Roblox during the summer event update 2026. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Finally, the summer event has been released in Grow a Garden, and there is a new event which is called the High Tide Harvest event. Basically, in this event, you just need to submit all your title and summer fruits to this basket, and then you will get reward based on the score that you make. And these are the rewards, guys. The reward odds. Okay, and as you can see that from here we can get the Campfire seed pack, and then the flower seed pack, and this Safari seed pack, and then the Enchanted seed pack, Gourmet seed pack. Oh, that's so cool. And yeah, that's all the old seed packs that you can get from this high tide harvest event. So make sure that you participate in this event to get back the old seed packs and grow a garden. That's so cool, guys. If you don't know how to do the high tide harvest event, you can watch my previous video. I've already explained how you can join the event and how you can get high score faster. Yeah, just participate in this event to get the old seed packs in Grow a Garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can get back the old seed packs in the Grow a Garden game of Roblox during the summer event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!